Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on a Ford F-150 EcoBoost. First, gather your essential tools and materials. You will need a 13mm wrench, an oil drain pan, and a funnel. Also, have 6 quarts of new 5W30 synthetic blend motor oil ready. Don't forget a new oil filter and a fresh drain plug gasket. Warming the engine slightly helps the old oil drain more completely, making the process smoother and more efficient for you. Now let's get that old oil out. Safely lift the front of your truck using a reliable jack and secure it firmly with sturdy jack stands for safety. Locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan, which is typically a 13mm bolt. Position your oil drain pan directly underneath the plug. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the used oil to flow into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. Carefully remove the old oil filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Clean the filter mounting surface thoroughly. Apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new filter. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket, tightening it firmly to prevent leaks. Almost done. Now, add 6 quarts of the fresh 5W30 synthetic blend motor oil through the oil fill cap. Start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil throughout the system. Carefully check for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Finally, turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and then verify the oil level on your dipstick. Remember to dispose of the old oil responsibly at an approved recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.